Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas 4 Points area? If you are searching for an auto body repair shop in Cedar Park's 4 Points area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park, Texas 4 Points service, complete auto body quotes even if we have vehicle insurance policy to draw on when we get involved in a crash. Recognizing the prices of crash fixing is advantageous in the future as a result of the influence it carries future. Recognizing just how much a fixing can possibly set you back additionally influences just how you will certainly manage a crash service center. And also if the damages to your vehicle is considerable sufficient, recognizing the possible price of fixing will certainly aid you choose on whether to assert for a failure or otherwise. As several vehicle proprietors might have experienced, costs do climb based upon a proprietor's case's background, and also recognizing when to assert or otherwise has an influence on your future funds. Why do apparently straightforward fixings, such as fixing a nicked bumper, price a lot? It's not just the crash service center's markup, although it is a variable to take into consideration. An unenlightened proprietor might assume that it's a simple matter of obtaining the bumper, wailing away with a hammer, using some filler and afterwards repainting things. More than likely not. Several prices related to crash fixing are things that are not noticeable to the inexperienced eye. Sensing units and also cords might require to be changed. A non-visible subassembly might require to be aligned. A urethane bumper might require added layers of guide or filler. Or there might be gaskets, seals or a cut that demand changing to make certain a watertight cabin. After that include in that the price of labor for effectively doing a specialist work, and also those little points promptly build up. If you take a close consider the damages to your lorry in this sort of light, you will certainly understand that the components and also labor required to recover your vehicle to its uninjured problem actually do build up. To obtain an also far better suggestion of what it would certainly set you back a crash service center to fix your lorry, checklist the components you assume will certainly require substitute and also head to a component supplier. Do not neglect the paint along with the guides and also fillers that will certainly require to be used. Look up their rates also if you can make use of aftermarket components rather of OEM components. When taking into consideration a price quote for the damages to your vehicle, do not restrict on your own to what is clearly damages. Additionally, consider what could be incorrect. Labor costs differ, yet it's secure to claim that the extra experienced and also experienced the professionals remain in an offered crash service center, the extra pricey they will certainly be. On the bonus side, you will certainly be ensured that they will certainly obtain the fixing done appropriately and also promptly. When dealing with fixing chains, this is additionally vital to bear in mind. Uniformity is not constantly their strong point, and also where one branch might have superb top quality, the following might be low. Body repair service near my home for Cedar Park, Texas 4 Points. Come by a local auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas 4 Points area to get your vehicle back on the road now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.